Hello. Some hot and very strong sunshine around through this weekend. You will need sunscreen, shades and a hat. If you don't like the heat, then make the most of what's left of Friday, because it's not that hot out there, although it is starting to turn more humid. It's dry for most of us and many places enjoying spells of sunshine. I say many, not all, because the satellite image just does show this stream of cloud just driving into Scotland in particular, and especially in the west. You can see there on the radar there is some rain trickling in. It's damp and drizzly, and it will be, in fact, for much of the weekend across the far northwest. Elsewhere, yes, a fair bit of cloud around. Northern Ireland, North Wales, northwest England. Further south and east, most places having sunny spells, and temperatures responding to that sunshine, getting into the low to mid-20s. Cooler where we've got the cloud and the patchy rain. Now that rain may well pep up a little bit through this evening. Elsewhere, it's a fine Friday evening if you're heading out. We'll see some of that rain drifting through the Northern Isles, disappearing there pretty much by midnight, and then just a little bit more drizzle in western Scotland, but otherwise it's a dry night. And it's going to be a warm night, a humid night, a difficult night for sleeping, particularly across parts of the east. Temperatures here staying in the mid-teens. So it's a sticky, uncomfortable night, but it is a beautiful start to Saturday for most of us, if you like it warm and sunny. Could just be a little bit of cloud around here and there across England and Wales early on, but that should melt away. Now, the major exception to the sunny rule on Saturday will be western Scotland. Here it will stay pretty grey, particularly north of the Great Glen. Outbreaks of rain and drizzle across the Highlands and the Western Isles, and that's where we'll keep the temperatures pegged back. But elsewhere in the sunshine, temperatures set to soar. Now, the coasts will always be cooler, but inland, you can see here across the Midlands, eastern England, down to the southeast, that's where we've got the orange colours. That's where we like to see the highest temperatures. Mid to high 20s, 29 is possible. Cooler, as I said, with the rain in the northwest, and it will be cooler around some coasts. It stays fine into the evening if you're out on Saturday night. It's a balmy night for most. Still that weather front bringing rain across the northwest, but elsewhere it stays very pleasant indeed. If you like it warm, these are the temperatures at 9 o'clock, still widely over 20 Celsius across eastern parts of England. It's going to be another warm, another humid night, another difficult night for sleeping. But again, it's another fine, hot, sunny day on Sunday for the majority. If anything, it could be even hotter on Sunday. Still a weather front in western Scotland bringing cloud and outbreaks of rain here. Some of the coast may just be a little bit misty, but for most it is all about those sunny skies, sending the temperatures soaring once more. Again, across central and eastern parts of England, that's where we'll see the highest temperatures. We are expecting to get over 30 Celsius, but widely it will be up over 20 Celsius. Again, that exception, the northwestern corner. For most then, the sunshine through the weekend and set to last into the early part of next week at least as well. But again, just a cautionary note, the sun is very strong at this time of year. UV levels will be high or very high. Pollen levels will also be high or very high. More information on all of that. You can get forecasts for pollen and UV through our app, and there's always plenty more on our website.